Just because your lender approves you for a certain amount of a house, for example, if they approve you for a $500,000 house, that does not mean that you have to purchase a $500,000 house. Remember, lenders look at ratios. So they're looking at your income, they're looking at your debt, they're looking at your credit. But it's your job to choose a mortgage payment that fits your lifestyle. So you want to take into account groceries, childcare, travel, emergencies. So remember, you do not have to buy a house based on what you qualify for. You want to purchase a house based on what you can afford. So that's today's home buying tip. Buy on what you can afford, not necessarily what you qualify for. If you found this tip helpful, let's stay connected. My name's Alicia. I am a licensed realtor in Virginia and Maryland on a mission to help you with your real estate goals.